Adaptive has become a recognized expert in machine vision inspection technology. We integrate machine vision in virtually every major system we build, either for vision inspection, robotic guidance, or both. By integrating vision inspection technology with robotic arms, inspection can be accomplished from various viewing angles, emulating human operators, except at higher speeds with greater consistency. Adaptive's engineering department has received formal training in, and have experience installing, machine vision inspection systems equipped with deep learning, AI, technology. This new technology is a revolution in machine vision inspection because it enables the inspection task to improve over time by learning additional inspection criteria, as updated by the technicians.